现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and we got music from Asta Zhen Zhen Yajun today, a song called Chika, which literally means myself, but she's sending this song to you guys and titled it Yourself because it's all about her own experience growing up, about loving and accepting yourself. You see, Asta wrote her own music when she was only 12 years old without any help. She went on to release her albums by herself as well, and then went on to be nominated for several Golden Melody Awards. Let's go ahead and listen to this song, Yourself or Chika. 这首歌是曾雅君的 Chika， 也就是自己。因为呢，她从12岁连五线谱都不会，自己就写了第一首歌。后来的作词、作曲、编曲也都是一手包办，连专辑的募款到发行也都是自己来。最后还荣获了多项的金曲奖，真的是非常厉害。而且这是名副其实的 Chika 自己。哇，真的是一个很励志的歌哦，而且呢，要学会怎么好好爱自己哦。That does it for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.